Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate destination for all things automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. If you're passionate about understanding the inner workings of your vehicle and keeping it in top-notch condition, you're in the right place. From in-depth reviews to step-by-step tutorials, we've got it all covered. So, before we dive into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Cloning a 2015 Volvo CEM DELPHI R5F64525 module using OBDSTAR DC706. Problem: when attempting to clone a 2015 Volvo CEM DELPHI R5F64525 module with the OBDSTAR DC706, the tool requests a 12-digit PIN code. Finding this PIN code can be challenging. Solution: to successfully clone the CEM, you need to extract the required PIN code from the flash data of the module. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Initial attempt. Default password. Start by trying the default password provided by the tool. Some Volvo CEMs may accept this. 2. Extracting the PIN code. Flash data reading. If the default password doesn't work, you will need to read the CEM's flash data using a different tool such as Xprog, VVDI Prog, or SMOC. Transfer flash data. Once you have read the flash data, transfer the file to the OBDSTAR DC706. The tool will then extract the PIN code from this data. 3 steps to extract and use the PIN code. Read flash data with an external programmer. Use tools like Xprog or VVDI Prog to read the CEM flash data from the MCU. Load flash data into OBDSTAR DC706. Transfer the flash file from your external programmer to the OBDSTAR DC706. Automatic PIN extraction. The OBDSTAR DC706 will automatically extract the PIN code from the flash data file. Enter PIN code manually, if needed. If the PIN code extraction is successful, enter the PIN code manually if required by the tool. 4. Cloning process. Access granted. Once the PIN code is available, the OBDSTAR DC706 will allow you to read and write data to the CEM. Clone the CEM. Follow the tool's instructions to complete the cloning process. Example workflow. 1. Read flash data with VVDI Prog. Connect the VVDI Prog to the CEM and read the flash data. Save the flash file. 2. Transfer flash data to OBDSTAR DC706. Import the flash data file into the OBDSTAR DC706. The tool will analyze the flash file and extract the necessary PIN code. 3. Clone the CEM. With the PIN code extracted, use the OBDSTAR DC706 to clone the CEM by following the on-screen instructions. Verify that the cloning process completes without errors. User feedback. A user successfully used Xprog to acquire the flash data, transferred it to the OBDSTAR DC706, which then automatically found the PIN and unlocked the unit for reading and writing. This allowed them to gain access to the CEM and complete the cloning process. By following these steps, you can overcome the challenge of finding the 12-digit PIN code required for cloning the 2015 Volvo CEM DELPHI R5F64525 module with the OBDSTAR DC706. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know your thoughts or any questions you might have. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this channel going. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and share this video with fellow automobile enthusiasts. Together, we can make the world of car diagnostics and programming a bit easier for everyone. Until next time, take care and happy diagnosing.